Discordia is the Roman goddess of strife and chaos, the embodiment of conflict in its purest form. Unlike Mars, the god of war, whose battles have purpose and strategy, Discordia's domain is far less predictable. She does not take sides or wage war herself. She simply disrupts, unbalancing harmony with a mere suggestion, an action so small yet so potent that it can shift the course of history. Where there is peace, she introduces doubt. Where there is unity, she stirs division. She thrives not in destruction itself, but in the unraveling of stability. Her most infamous act demonstrates this perfectly. When she was excluded from the wedding of Peleus and Thetis, she did not react with direct violence or demands for revenge. Instead, she threw a single golden apple into the feast, inscribed with the words, "To the fairest." That simple gesture ignited a rivalry among the goddesses Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite, leading to the judgment of Paris and, ultimately, the Trojan War. Discordia did not fight, nor did she manipulate. She merely introduced the possibility of conflict and let human nature do the rest. This is the essence of her power. She does not force anyone to battle, but she understands how easily pride, jealousy, and ambition can drive individuals to destruction. She exists wherever people turn against each other, whether through petty disagreements or world-altering wars. She does not create discord, she reveals it. She lays bare the tensions that already exist beneath the surface and lets them explode. Despite her reputation, Discordia is not entirely an agent of evil. Chaos is feared, but it is also necessary. Without it, there is no progress, no challenge, no transformation. Societies that suppress conflict often breed resentment, and individuals who refuse to confront discord in their own lives remain untested. Growth, both personal and collective, often comes through hardship. Change is rarely peaceful. Discordia is the reminder that even in times of stability, disruption is always possible, and sometimes even necessary. She is a force that cannot be ignored. Unlike other deities who have temples, prayers, and followers, Discordia does not need worship. She is acknowledged simply by existing. Every quarrel, every political upheaval, every moment of indecision or betrayal is a reflection of her influence. She lingers in the spaces between order and disorder, waiting for the inevitable moment when cracks begin to form. But there is a lesson in her presence. While she brings conflict, she also exposes truth. She forces those who encounter her to face their own weaknesses, their own unresolved tensions. Those who fear her chaos may try to avoid it, but those who understand her recognize that conflict, when approached with wisdom, can lead to growth rather than destruction. In mythology and in life, Discordia serves as a reminder that peace is fragile, that order is not guaranteed, and that true strength is not found in avoiding chaos, but in learning how to navigate it.